Good morning, everyone. This is your task for today, and as you can see from the top of the page, the task is all about angles. This kind of follows on from the work we've done on direction, and you can see there's a compass point at the bottom for some of those questions. But for the first set of questions, you don't need to worry about that. You don't need to make any difficult calculations, but you do need to get your head around the idea, which may be a little bit complicated. So we'll see how it goes. The question is how many right angles in each picture. So what you have to do is look at the picture, look which way the arrow is facing. So in this case, the arrow is pointing to the left like that. Now that is the end of your journey for your calculation. So you have to go back to the opposite side. So I'm going to start here. Then I'm going to count how many right angles I go through before I get to the end. Now a right angle is 90 degrees, and it's this L shape between when two lines meet, and there's this L shape here, and angle is there. Can you see I made it a little square where those two lines have met? So that is one right angle, and then on the other side is another right angle. So this has two right angles. So I start here and go 1, 2. So for each quarter of a circle is 90 degrees, each quarter of a circle. So this has how many quarters? 1, 2. So it has two right angles, which makes a straight line. You can see we started there, and that's a straight line to this one. So 90 plus 90 is 180. So two right angles make a straight line, which is 180 degrees. So the next one's a little bit different. Again, look where the arrow leads to here and go backwards. So we're starting here. How many quarters have we got? How many right angles? So 1, that's 1 quarter. Imagine a line there. 2, there, that's the straight line for 2 quarters, or 1/2. So that's 2 right angles, but we've got one more going there. So how many is that? 1, 2, one more there. This one is smaller, we start there. Just how many quarters is that? How many right angles is that? And then again, this one's more like the first one. So we start here, 1, and this one, 1, this one, and this one will be like that one. Yeah, so some of them will have the same answers. Okay, moving down to the ones near the bottom. It tells you which point it will start at. Now it hasn't got northwest or northeast or anything, it's just the 4 main points. So if it says that it starts at east and finishes pointing west, it's not just going across like that. So it says if the compass needle turns clockwise. Clockwise just means in the direction of the clock, like the same as the clock does. So it will go like this, this way. This is the way the clock goes. Yeah. So it starts at east and it will go 1, 2. So to start at east and get to west, how many right angles? 1, 2. It just means how many times do you move to get to the place you need to go to. So number 9, it starts at north and finishes at south. So 1, 2. So at south and east. 1, 2. And 11 start east and south. After that, you have to give new answers to all those questions if the needle went the other way, if it went anti-clockwise, so if it was going around like that. So how would the first one be different? East, this time we're going to go 1, 2, like that. So good luck with those. Let me know if you have any questions later. I think it should be okay though.